So you want to learn SEO fast? Then watch this video because I'm going to teach you in 3 minutes. Welcome back to the Entrepreneur Shack. If you want to see more great videos like this, make sure you hit subscribe and the bell icon. So the first thing you need to know about SEO is short tail keywords and long tail keywords. If you're just getting started, you're gonna want to find some long tail keywords that are not competitive and relate to your business. For that, I like to use Keyword Tool Dominator, Google Keyword Planner, and Keywords Everywhere. I'll link to them below this video. Once you've found your long tail keyword or your keyword phrase that is not too competitive, but also has some search volume, you want to plug it into these key elements on your webpage. If you're running a WordPress website, you can grab Yoast SEO plugin and follow the tips along the side of the page. If you're using another platform, no worries. You can grab my free SEO checklist down in the description below. Let me know in the comments, which platform is your website on? Once you're done that, we gotta create some links back to your page to make you more trusted by Google. So if you have some social media platforms, awesome. If you don't, go sign up. And you're gonna share your link to your page publicly on those platforms. Some other great places to post your link is in public forums, on association websites, and by writing guest posts for other websites that talk about a similar subject to your business. And if you're a local business, make sure you get yourself into Google My Business. That is super important to getting shown in the Google search results. Well, that's all we have time for in this short video. So if you want to get more training and learn SEO fast, make sure you grab my free SEO checklist down in the description below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.